Hi everyone, I'm Laura from Killer Beauty and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Flux Mini PMU machine from Microbeau. Based on the original Flux S, the Flux Mini has been developed for artists who love a slim pen style machine, but with the added freedom of wireless power. The Flux Mini has been created with a lightweight, compact design to maximise comfort and control without compromising on power. With all the wireless capabilities of the Flux S, the Flux Mini is 1/3 of the size of the original machine. Weighing only 108 grams with the battery pack, this super slim machine is only 19mm at its smallest point, perfect for accurate pigment placement. The Flux Mini is powered by the interchangeable Powerbolt Mini, which charges via a USB-C connection and provides up to 4 hours runtime. At Killer Beauty, we also give you the option to purchase the Flux Mini with an additional Powerbolt Mini, so you can have a fully charged backup battery to switch out when required for 0 interruptions. With no wire or cord required, the Flux Mini gives you maximum freedom to move about your clinic and work from optimum angles during each step of the treatment. The ergonomic and balanced design of the Flux Mini enhances comfort and reduces any fatigue on the hand or wrist during long appointments. The 2.5mm stroke length makes it suitable for a range of treatments such as brows, lips or eyeliner. It is also compatible with any skin type, and the slim design of the Flux Mini is easy to wrap and cover for hygiene and safety. Artists who have tried heavier wireless machines and have been seeking a more compact option will most likely find this handpiece much easier to use. Those who have tried wireless power packs that clip onto the machine and have struggled with balance or a top-heavy feeling will also be more comfortable with the ergonomic design of the Flux Mini. This compact handpiece conceals the powerful Dark Lab designed proprietary motor, which provides consistent power with virtually no vibrations. Less vibrations means maximum accuracy and precision when implanting the pigment. The Flux Mini also features easy to operate user-intuitive controls that make adjusting voltage quick and easy. Like the original Flux S, the Flux Mini is compatible with all universal permanent makeup cartridges, like the Killer Beauty PMU cartridges that we have here. Fans of the original Flux S machine or any artist seeking a compact, comfortable machine with wireless power will definitely want to get their hands on the Flux Mini. If you've tried this machine already, leave a comment below and let us know what you think. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our brand new videos.